Oh my God, we are experiencing heavy snowstorm this morning. They will stop the kids for not coming to school today. Oh my goodness, this is 5 a.m. in the morning. It looked like it's 10 o'clock in the morning. This is 5 a.m. and they announced that the kids are not going to school because it's a snowstorm. The snow is too heavy. According to news, they said it's 4 centimeters from the ground. Like, since for a long time I've not seen this. Like, the snow is too much. It's just too much. It's just too much. I'm just videoing from my window. I can't go outside. But let me go and video it for outside. But this is too much. It's too much, really. It's too much.